Hey guys, it's Katherine here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Katherine and I create videos around beauty, lifestyle, fashion and everything that you see on my YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a beauty tag. It's just like beauty related questions or makeup related questions, and this should be fun. I'll see you guys in the video. So guys, the first question that I have here is, do you remember your first makeup item? It's most likely a lip gloss. I don't remember it, but it's most likely a lip gloss. Describe your perfect mascara. Have you found one that fits your specifications? My perfect mascara would be a mascara with a very tiny wand that I can use for my bottom lash, and a mascara that, you know, elongates my lash. Like whenever I use it, it makes me feel like I have false lashes on. You know those mascaras that, you know, really bring out your lashes? That is going to be my perfect mascara. And for now, my favorite mascara is the Zaron, is it Lengthening Mascara? I think it's called the Zaron Lengthening Mascara. Guys, I'm trying to look for that mascara for you. Okay. So yes, Zaron Lengthening Mascara. That's my favorite mascara. Then the next question is, what kind of coverage do you prefer from a foundation? What kind of coverage do I prefer from a foundation? Because I have spots on my face, if I had like the perfect skin without any blemish, maybe a light coverage foundation would be it for me. But with all the spots that I have on my face right now, I prefer medium to full coverage foundations. Favorite high-end brand? My favorite high-end brand would have to be, I don't know, maybe Fenty Beauty because of Rihanna, and not just because of Rihanna, because of all the good reviews that I've been seeing online. The question is, what cosmetic brands have you always wanted to try but still haven't? I think the cosmetic brand that I would like to try but haven't tried is Fenty Beauty. Now you guys are going to be hearing a lot of Fenty Beauty in this video. Okay, it's not just Fenty Beauty, it's actually Fenty Beauty and JUVIA's place. Yes, Fenty Beauty and is JUVIA's place a high-end brand? Okay, then it's Fenty Beauty. Favorite drugstore brand? My favorite drugstore brand will have to be Maybelline, because I used to use like a lot of Maybelline products, their mascaras, their concealers, their foundation. I still have their foundation. That's what I use, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, my all-time favorite foundation. But there's this foundation that I tried recently. That's the Royal Makeup Foundation. I really love that foundation. If you've not seen, I don't know which video is going to come up. I have a video on my first impression of that Royal Makeup Foundation. If that video is already up on my channel, I'm going to leave a link up here. But if not, then you guys look out for that. Is there any kind of makeup you can't leave the house without? I think the only makeup product that I cannot leave the house without has to be my lip gloss. Yeah. Has to be my lip gloss or lip balm, because not this, yeah, lip gloss or lip balm. Your most cherished beauty product? My most cherished beauty product will have to be foundation. How often do you shop for makeup? Once in a while, because like your makeup gets to last a very long time. In as much as I like makeup, I don't just go about buying this and that, like every makeup that I see. So, not all the time. Do you have a beauty budget, or do you spend freely? I do have a beauty budget. I don't spend freely. I set out a particular amount to buy makeup products, and that's it. I try not to exceed that amount. So yes, I do have a beauty budget. Do you utilize coupons, reward cards and sales when you shop for cosmetics? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Sales mostly, because most of all the brands that we have in Nigeria, or like the makeup stores and all of that, and then not all of them have like coupons and all of that. So, but whenever they're on sales, I try to utilize their sales. What type of product do you buy the most of? Skin products. Is there a brand that you absolutely can't stand? I don't think I have any brand that I cannot stand. I don't think so. Do you avoid certain ingredients in cosmetics like parabens or sulfates? Okay guys, usually, to be honest, I usually don't read the ingredients of most of the products that I use. But from seeing this question now and seeing Tammy's tag, by the way, I saw this tag that I'm doing. I saw a video on Tammy's channel. I'm going to leave a link to a channel in my description box so you can go check out this same video on a channel. So I found this video on a channel and I was like, oh, it's going to be fun to do this, and that's the reason why I'm doing it on my channel as well. So go over to Tammy's channel to also check out a take on this question. The next question is, do you have a favorite place to shop for makeup? There's an Instagram page called Atata Hair and Makeup. I buy some of my makeup products from her. I buy some from like the brands directly, especially those brands that are in Nigeria, because I use a lot of Nigerian brands, so I buy directly from those Nigerian brands. Then for foreign brands, I buy from Atata Hair and Makeup or Tika. I think it's Tika 24 on Instagram, or Shop with Tika, something like that. Yeah. Do you like trying new skincare products, or do you keep a certain routine? I really don't have a skincare routine right now, but I'm definitely down for trying out different skincare products. I don't have a particular skincare routine. Favorite bath and body brands? I don't have. Could only buy from one brand. Which brand would you choose? If I could only buy from one brand, which brand will I choose? Fenty Beauty or Juvia's Place? Fenty Beauty, Juvia's Place, Fenty Beauty, Juvia's Place, because Fenty Beauty is high end, Juvia's Place is pretty affordable. What brand do you think has the best packaging? What brand do I think has the best packaging? I don't really know. I don't know, but for Nigerian brands, I like Binwa. I really love their packaging. Maybe because I like rose gold. Yeah. Then I also like the packaging of Nuban Beauty. That's another Nigerian brand. Celebrity always has great makeup. Toke Makinwa has like the best makeup. Shout out to a makeup artist, Anita Brows. Do you belong to any online makeup communities? No, I don't. Favorite beauty gurus: Jackie Aina, Dima Ume, Makeup by Shayla, The Tall Black Chick, and yeah, and a host of others. HD Signatures, Niela Obijako, and a host of others. There are lots, but their names are not coming to my mind right now. I like multifunctional products like lip and cheek stains. Yes, I do love multifunctional products. Like I use my orange lipsticks as my blush. That's to tell you that I love multifunctional. Are you clumsy in putting on makeup? No, I'm not. I'm very careful whenever I do my makeup, so I wouldn't say that I'm clumsy. You use a makeup base / primer for the eyes. I do not use primer. I do not use primer for the eyes. I use my concealer to prime my eyes. That's what I use. What hair products do you use on a typical day? On a typical day, I don't have a lot of hair products. I just have like maybe my hair cream, my leave-in conditioner, and hairspray. I don't have a lot of hair products. Do you apply first, concealer or foundation? I apply my foundation first before my concealer. Do you ever consider taking makeup classes? No, because I watch a lot of videos on YouTube. I feel like every other thing that I need to learn is on YouTube already. I just have to search the right channels. Everything that I need is on YouTube, so I would not be taking makeup classes. I would not say I would not, because I might end up taking makeup classes in the future, but for now I'm not looking at taking makeup classes. What do you love about makeup? I love that makeup enhances my beauty. I'm already a beautiful girl, like you can see. I love that it enhances my beauty. It helps me become like, it brings out like a better version of myself. And yeah, that's what I love about makeup. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you liked it as much as I do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you're a YouTuber and you also want to do this tag, please let me know, and I will leave the questions in the description box. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.